This is Simon Kimmel setting up the rocket. And he is putting it in the rocket. And just like anything, but he's someone new. Do you want to say something, Simon? To the camera?
Too close. You're too close.
Say some things about the rocket launch, Simon.
No.
So he's putting the thing on the rocket launch. He's gonna flip it over. Oh, he's getting ready. He's getting ready. Stop. 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 Stop it. It's okay, Simon. Come back at Tom. It's safe. It's safe. It's safe now. All right. Take 2. Go.
That was the highest one yet.
I think I had the highest one yet.
I'm gonna take this water bottle away.
You know what? It just like, that just went
Snap break.
Let me see it.